At Kaizen Institute, we specialize in delivering in-company training sessions that are fully tailored to your team's unique needs. Our approach ensures that every participant, whether new to the industry or a seasoned professional, can benefit from practical hands-on learning designed specifically for your organization. Our training is flexible, allowing you to choose between on-site sessions at your workplace or live online sessions that offer the same level of engagement and customization. No matter the format, our goal is to bring high-impact learning directly to your team. Let's explore the key advantages of choosing Kaizen Institute in-company training for your team. Our trainers bring real-world experience from various industries, including collaborations with Fortune 500 companies, ensuring your team learns from the best. We focus on practical, workplace-relevant training that instills a culture of continuous improvement throughout your organization. Training the entire team helps standardize Kaizen methodologies across the board, creating lasting change and sustainable improvement. Participants enhance their professional credibility through globally recognized training, giving them the skills and confidence to lead. And for those looking to showcase their mastery, our certification program sets your team apart, providing their expertise in Kaizen principles. Contact one of our specialists to discuss your needs and find out how we can support your journey to continuous improvement.